Hello, and welcome to the demonstration of the AtmoSonic Series 200 mini fogger, so named because of its lightweight and portable nature. The mini fogger comprises an ergonomically shaped handle, fluid tank with a wide throat for easy filling, and an easily adjustable shoulder strap to allow for mobile use. Let's start by filling the tank with fluid. We're using our own safe organic biocide, AtmoSan. The tank can be found at the back of the machine. To start, place the machine on a flat, stable surface. Then unscrew the tank lid. Carefully pour in the fluid and tightly replace the lid. The mini fogger typically uses between 17 and 20 millilitres per square metre, depending on your setting. If you're unsure of how much fluid to use for your area, please check out our website at the end of this video or contact the sales team for advice. Now that the machine is filled with fluid, let's check the settings. The flow regulator can be found here. The lower the number on the flow regulator, the smaller the droplets emitted by the machine will be. As we want a dry fog to sanitize our office, we'll put the setting at 1 on the flow regulator. This setting is what we usually recommend in order to stop surfaces from getting wet. Now that the flow regulator settings are done and the tank is filled, we can start to use the machine. If you like, this is a good opportunity to take an ATP swab test in your chosen area. For more information on our ATP testing systems, please check out our website. The mini fogger can be used in a variety of ways: as a table standing unit to fog an area such as a small room, kitchen or play area, mounted on the floor at an angle so that the nozzle can be faced upwards to emit fog into the atmosphere of the room, or over the shoulder for manual use. For this demonstration, we'll be using the mini fogger as a portable unit, using the adjustable shoulder strap. Our AtmoSan biocide is 100% safe for use, with no kosh controls, so we don't need to use any PPE for this demonstration. However, if you're using another product, please remember to always read the label on your chosen fluid and take all precautions advised by your supplier. Now, let's sanitize the office. We have computing equipment in our office, but this won't be a problem as we've set the regulator to 1 for a dry fog. To be extra sure, however, we'll make sure to keep a 1 to 2 meter distance between the machine nozzle and the computer. Firstly, plug the machine into the socket. The Series 200 mini fogger has a 2.7 meter cable to enable a wide reach within your chosen area. Pick up the fogging machine and place the strap over your shoulder. Make sure that you don't accidentally adjust the regulator settings as you do this. The on-off switch can be found here. Point the nozzle away from you and turn on the machine using the switch. As the vacuum builds, there can be a momentary delay of a few seconds before you begin to see fog emerging from the machine. Now that the machine is switched on and producing fog, we can begin sanitizing our office. Keeping the nozzle pointed away from you, begin using the machine in a slight sweeping motion back and forth across the area. This offers a fuller, more even coverage of fog across the area. Again, we're going to stay 1 to 2 meters away from our electrical equipment to lessen the chance of any stray larger droplets from spraying onto the machinery. The length of time you'll need to fog an area depends on the size of the space. On this setting, the mini fogger will cover approximately 1 square meter per minute. For a more detailed breakdown, or to inquire about an unusually sized space, please contact the AtmoSan team. Now that our office is fully sanitized, we want to make sure that no fluid is left in the mini fogger's internal pipes to make sure it remains at optimum functionality. Turn off the machine using the switch, change the flow regulator setting to 0, and switch the mini fogger back on. Allow the machine to run with the regulator at 0 for up to 2 minutes. About 30 seconds should be sufficient, until no more fog is emitted from the machine. Now, turn the machine back off using the switch and unplug the machine from the socket. As we set the fogger to a dry fog, we don't need to worry about wiping down any surfaces. With our AtmoSan biocide, we can repopulate the office immediately, with no waiting time between sanitizing sessions. However, again, if you're using a different fluid product, please remember to abide by the safety specifications of your chosen fluid and take all precautions advised by your supplier before repopulating the room. If you're using our ATP testing system, now is a great time to do another swab test to compare to your earlier sample and make sure that the area has been thoroughly sanitised. As we finish sanitising for now, we'll put the machine back into storage. If you're using AtmoSan fluid and have some left over in the machine, this can be left in the tank, so long as it's kept out of direct sunlight and at room temperature between 5 and 25 degrees Celsius. This concludes our AtmoSonic Series 200 mini fogger demonstration. Please check out our website for more information, including fogging accessories, AtmoSan biocide and ATP testing equipment at www.atmosan.co.uk, or you can contact the team by phone or email using the on-screen details. Thank you.